stuffing. And what you got? Now, Hannah, if you do that, go around and then you'll get it. Hannah, if you do that, go around. No. Ooh, we have the shark. And here's the shark. Mr. Shark. I really want to get the mystery. Give it the icing thing. And here is I'm
Mr. Chomp.
I mean, Mr. Chomp. Put the trash aside. I need Snippy. Snippy. Ooh, I want to get this. I want to get the cow or this. Let's see who we get. I'm cutting her hair and a piece of his hat. Come here. Ooh. Let's see. Is it on the cover? Oh, I got a mystery shop. I got a mystery one. A mystery one. It's right there. I got a mystery one. It's awesome. I got a mystery one.
Exclusive A.
Exclusive A. This is awesome. I'm coming into your camping. I'm coming up your camping. I can't believe I got an exclusive. I broke my hand. I broke his hand. Oh, I need a big old snip. Let me do the snip. I can't really stand up. No. Mommy, I got the rainbow one. Rainbow.
Cheer Bear.
Cheer Bear?
Cheer Bear.
Cheer Bear. Open Cheer Candy. I got mad at you. You get mad in the video. I want to get that skunk. You got the skunk! That was skunk. I think it's on the That's a piece of champagne. It's that one right there. Mommy, look.
Priscilla.
Priscilla. Cheer Bear. Ow. I can't stand up. Ow. Mom, don't forget the like and tell me in the comments if you like it or don't. And that's it. This is so cool. I got a exclusive A. It's so cool I have such a cat. Bye. Open the shelf cow.